the Wii was a console best known for its unusual WiiMote controller, which used the remote control form factor and motion control to attract families from around the world to play an infinite amount of Wii Tennis. Now, a first prototype for this controller has been sold at an auction in Japan. Although there are superficial similarities, the prototype driver is a beast very different from what was finally launched along with the Wii. For starters, it is designed to be connected to the previous console of Nintendo, GameCube, which means that it has to be connected with cables instead of connecting via Bluetooth. The remote control connects to one of the standard controller ports on the console, while the Nunchuck component connects to the Ethernet connector, not the proprietary connector on the Wii. The sensor bar connects to a free memory card slot. In case this strange cable configuration was not a big enough track, this WiiMote was probably an internal prototype of the company that was never released. We've always known that GameCube and Wii share a lot of DNA. Infamously, an EA developer referred to the internal components of the Wii as if they were two GameCubes stuck with duct tape, and the Dolphin emulator, originally designed to emulate only GameCube games, now happily plays software from both consoles. Apparently, there are several versions of this prototype, but we may have to wait a little longer to escape the tight claws of Nintendo. We are particularly interested in testing the Nintendo Star Driver, a strange device